Have you been having trouble removing duplicates from Outlook? If so, download BitRecover Outlook Duplicate Remover today. The video below gives you a more in-depth look at the software. Read all the guidelines carefully and click on the next button. Here, then we have two options to import the files. First one, convert configured Outlook mailbox data, and let me select my Outlook mailbox data, choose the required one. With second option, we have a choice to select a file and folder. Select the folder and proceed. Below down, we have used the recovery mode. If your file is corrupted, then enable this option. Now click on the next button. Now here we have the folder hierarchy. You can select the folder as per your need and proceed next. Now here, click on the filter options. Then use advanced settings for filter saving. Advanced filter options will help you to choose specific data that will speed up the process, like date range, from, to, etc. Choose from the given field to not to export duplicates emails. Select the date range. Whenever you want to export data for a specific time period, enable this option. From, to, and subject, you can choose any of them, depending on your preference. In case you decide to go with the, from, to, and the, subject, fields, you must then enter the email ID or subjects in the required fields. Then, saving folder name. Give a name to folder that will store your processed files after removing duplicates. Separate PST per user. This option will create a separate PST of the each. With change language, you can change the language of software, with given language options. With last option, make the check mark, if you want to export given items from the emails, such as mails, calendars, and contacts. Now back to the saving options. Here if you want to split the resultant PST, select the split PST and split between the 2, 5, 10 and 20 GB. Then, we have two options to remove duplicates, within the folder and across the folder. Then click on the folder icon to save the destination of the resultant file. Then click on the OK button. Now click on the Extract button. Extraction completed. Click OK. Click on the OK button. This report will show you the total number of emails, and the number of emails export from each folder. Here are the resultant file.